Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is OlympusDAO version 2. Yeah, they're upgrading the protocol and it's going to have a lot of implications. There's lots of stuff that's going to be changed, and I believe quite a few things are going to be improved as well. And there's stuff I still don't know what the heck they're doing. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so this is the main page, as you well know. Something that's interesting before we start getting into version 2. Don't know if you've noticed, but the APY is getting better. And if we look at the dashboard, although here there was quite a bit of a dump in total value deposited, I think that's because Bitcoin went up. Typically, I find that when Bitcoin is doing well, the OHM token goes down. I don't know why it's like that. I think people say, oh, I'm going to take money out of OHM and I'm going to buy Bitcoin. I don't know. But it's the rates are, the APY is getting better. As you can see here, there's a little bit of an upward trend. And the Runway keeps getting better as well. Those are really good things for people that are staking for the long term. Okay, this means the Runway, for people that are not clear about this, is the time expected that we can maintain paying the current yield. Okay, that's more or less what this means. Okay, so basically with the amount of revenue that are generated by bonding, okay, and through their new Olympus Pro service, which is doing very well right now, they're making money. They're having a lot of revenues coming into the protocol, and that revenue belongs to the people that have the OHM tokens. Okay, and those revenues are redistributed through rebases 3 times a day, and that amounts to 7,571% per year in APY. Okay, and it's compounded 3 times per day. I'm explaining all this because I get a million questions about this, okay, every day. So I'm explaining it over and over and over. Eventually, a lot more people will know. All right, so enough about the current status of things. Let's look at the future. Okay, so they have an article that explains this in great detail on their Medium page, and it's called Introducing Olympus version 2. So apparently we're all going to live in this wonderful city. All right, so version 2, basically they want to prioritize decentralization and immutability, which is kind of strange because they're making a big change, but anyway. So they want to put on-chain governance, and stakers will take full control of the protocol contracts through an implementation of Compound's Governor Bravo. Whoever that Governor Bravo is, I don't know. I'm not a programmer at Compound. Okay, so they're gonna have a three-phase rollout. Okay. I have no idea what this means. I'm not a programmer, but basically they're going to implement Governor Bravo, and that's supposed to make everybody's life better. So they go on explaining stuff, and there are some actual great benefits for people that bond. Okay, it's quite interesting. So they say the on-chain governance will occur through the GOM, G-H-O-M token, previously called the WSOM token, Users can now stake directly in and out of GOM, saving precious time and gas. Well, anything to save me gas and time is welcome. Okay, so now and they say that the bonds are receiving a significant overhaul, and they're doing the following upgrades. So there's a lot of stuff happening on the bonding side of things. So bond payouts are staked at the time of purchase. So rather than requiring bonders to factor in missed rewards when considering a discount, they are now earned by default. So before, or currently, if you bond, you're getting a discount. So let's say you're getting 5% discount. So that's currently what the discounts are. These are the discounts at the moment. Okay? So obviously you want a positive discount and you try to get the best discount possible. At the moment, you can get 4.34% discount if you sell your own LUSD LP to the protocol, and the protocol gives you back in exchange OM token that are vested for a period. I believe 5 or 7 days, something like that. I don't do bonding, so it's not really, it's a little bit complicated. It costs more gas for me, so I'd rather just buy on the open market and stake it, and that's it. But now there's a greater benefit to bonding. Okay, so now you're getting a discount. Okay, and they say this means that any discount greater than 0% will outperform staking. So right now, if you go to staking, okay, let's say you stake for 5 days, you would get 6.17%. Now you're getting 6.17% plus the discount. Before you would get only the discount and not the stake. Okay, so if the discount was greater than the staking for 5 days, you would win. If not, then don't bond. Okay, so now you're getting the staking percentage plus the discount from bonding. Okay, and as a result, discount should not deviate far above 0%. That's what they're expecting. This is good for minimizing market pressure and maximizing protocol efficiency. That's what they expect. I don't know if it's true, we'll see. Bonds no longer vest linearly. Instead, bonders must wait until the end of their term to redeem. This illiquidity is enabled by staking bond payouts and creates a form of locked staking that will save OMIs money by removing the incentive to incur wasteful gas transactions through frequent redemptions. So, people currently, what they do is that they bond, they get the discount, but because the discount is less than the staking, they tend to not wait till the end of their term to redeem, and they spend more gas. Now you don't need to, because you're staked as soon as you bond. Okay, so you don't have to take your money out of the bond to put it back in staking. So you save gas, save time, and everybody's happy. So instead of 3.3, maybe it's I don't know, 9.9. I'm still looking for 81.81, but anyway. So, new bond types are created as isolated offerings. Each bond has a maximum amount of OM that can be paid, or a maximum amount of principal that can be purchased, and once exceeded, the bond is retired. All parameters of the bond are set in stone after initialization. This improves both budgeting and immutability. Okay. Bonds can be held as NFTs. This enables liquid secondary bond markets. I don't know how this works. Okay, I'll be honest with you. Okay, so you get a bond and it becomes an NFT. Okay, where is the secondary market, on OpenSea or what? I have no clue. Maybe they're going to create their own NFT market? I don't know. So, bonds can be fixed term or fixed expiration. What we have now is fixed term. If a term for a bond is 1 week, your maturation date will be in 1 week. Fixed expiration means the maturation date is the same for all who buy that bond. If a bond has a fixed expiration on day 8 and you buy it on day 1, your term is 7 days. If you buy the same bond on day 2, your term is 6 days. This lends itself to composability. Fixed expiration bonds can be wrapped into a fungible token and traded like any ERC20. So it looks like the bonds can be an NFT and can be another type of ERC20 token. There's a lot of mystery in this at the moment. Okay, again, I'm not a programmer, I'm just a stupid little farmer. Don't make this too complicated for me. Okay, so bonds offer a front-end reward. This will incentivize third parties to run front ends for Olympus, reducing single point of failure risk. Okay, now here's my favorite part. All the new contracts are going to be audited. Wow, what a concept. I wish more people would follow this trend. Audit, people. Okay, we need audits. So they're working into entering an audit with runtime verification for these smart contracts shortly. We're hopeful that this concludes within 4 weeks, and we will keep you updated as we receive more information. So in about a month, they're hoping that the audits is going to be done. So if runtime finds a lot of bugs, it might take a longer time because they'll have to fix the bugs before making version 2 official. So here they talk about the migration and so on. Basically, there's a window of 2 months for you to migrate without missing rewards. So you better think about that. Okay, that's what I'm telling you right now. Okay, version 2 is coming, and when it's official, you have 2 months, okay, to migrate. If you don't migrate, you lose money. Okay, after this window, you can still migrate. However, some rewards will be forfeited. So you might lose some rewards if you wait too long. Don't do that. Okay. So migration will be a single transaction and should not cost much more than staking. So unfortunately, you'll have to pay gas, but only one time. It should be about the same as staking, they say, hopefully. So partial liquidity will remain for Home version 1, while migration is in process to facilitate the movement of rewards. So alright, so apparently version 2 is massive step for Olympus, so I hope the audit is going to be great. Through these upgrades, we will operate in a fully trustless, governance-minimized environment in the coming months. This is in line with the vision we set out to bring into reality 8 months ago. We hope that you are as excited as we are. We're excited! Alright. As long as they make more money and my APY is good, I'm very excited. So, yeah. So there's more information, you can check on the Discord, okay? You can ask questions there. Whenever they publish something, check their Medium like this, okay? You can follow them on OlympusDAO. But the best place is probably Discord. Okay? Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like! I need it! YouTube algorithm, people! Okay, so like. And subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. And if you don't want it free, okay, fine. Pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos. Jeff will send me $1 later. Okay? All right. See you later.